What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. So, first of all, wow, is it nice out here. About 80 degrees, no humidity. This is what Pennsylvania is supposed to be. So this is my last field of hay, I think. If the rain keeps up and the warm keeps up, we might get a second cutting of something. I don't know. Who knows? But it's about, I don't know, 2 acres maybe. So this is my aunt's field, my property. I don't know, can you see? Like right at the end of all those sprayed trees. That's all locust trees up in there. I don't go up in there because that is Flat Tire City. So, anyways, I'm going to get this all done. I'm going to get this mowed today. And it's not very steep. I mean, it's a little steep out at the end, but nothing like I've been doing. So this is pretty chill. So I do notice right here where I'm standing, there is a crap ton of freaking poison ivy. But anyways, we're going to get this going. I'm going to put you on, let this roll. I have action camera on my tractor, and we'll see what we can get done. All right?
Up before the sun breaks, old tractor coughs to life. Hills roll out like waves, cut through morning mist. Been working this same ground since I was knee-high. Equipment seen better days, but it gets the job done. Making hay on these rolling hills. Old iron, oh old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, oh old iron, these are the good days. Oh yeah. Dust kicks up behind me, sweat stings my tired eyes. Every blade of grass tells a story of its own. Grandfather worked these fields, father did the same. Now it's my turn to carry on this simple way of life. Making hay, oh old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, oh old iron, these are the good days. Oh yeah. When the world gets crazy, yeah, and everything moves too fast, I come back to this place where nothing's built to last, but somehow always does. La 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 la. Oh yeah, making hay on these rolling hills. Old iron, oh old iron, still got time to kill. Making hay till the daylight fades. Old iron, oh old iron, these are the good days.
Well, there it is. It's all done. Lots of weeds. I'm going to go down, right down there. It's a little field my neighbor owns. I called him. He said I could have it. So I'm going to mow that too. So, sweet. More hay. All right. I'm going to head down there. There's a tree in it. I'm going to see if this tractor will push it. It's pretty big.
All right, here's another little patch we're gonna do. Mike just finished up doing this field right over here. It goes on up over. And then this is a neighbor of ours, friends of ours. They own this little patch here along the creek, and called and asked if we could mow it. Just taking it for hay. He said just to be careful. So it's not much here, but every little bit always helps. Beautiful day. It's hot in the sun. I think it's 82 and it feels like 85. Nice breeze. Actually have the house open. No air conditioning on today. It's going down to 54 tonight. Woo! We might need an extra blanket. Oh, we've got a visitor. Uncle Ken's here, cleaning stuff up. I think he's having a little technical difficulty going on with the tractor. Gonna see what's going on. Sucked something up in his carburetor. It's running pretty rough. Oh, I do see what he's doing. He has a pretty sweet setup. He has a winch on there that he puts onto the sickle bar. And he can lift the blade up. Ooh, camera's acting up. Alright, I'm gonna help him.
Alright, well there's that field's done. I didn't do anything on the edges because I don't know what's in there and I'm not breaking my mower. And there was that's about an 18-inch walnut tree that had blown clean out in the middle of the field. Honestly, can't believe the Kubota had enough ass to push that out of the way, but it did. Because it was still connected at the root. Still growing. So then I had to go through all that thick hay. Pick all the branches and stuff out because I'd just tear my mower up. So a neighbor will just have to brush hog around the edge or something. But I'll just let that dry for till tomorrow. Carrie's here raking up this section. Just go feed it. So get this back up the house, get the mower off of it, and get it set up for raking tomorrow. You go, girl. All right. We'll catch you when we got the rake on. What's up, guys? Well, it's like, I don't know, 3:30, 4 o'clock. Mowing's done. As you've seen, I got my neighbor's ground there. He was just going to have a brush hog, so that's bonus. Absolute bonus. So we just thought we'd finish out the day by coming down here to the farm pond. So the wife and the dogs, probably can't see that. Let me go down one. Boom. Sunny right now. Was cloudy a minute ago, but they're out there running around. So we're just going to chill out here for a little bit and finish the day off. Jeez. Crazy ass dogs. Sierra will not get in that water. it's raked. And hold on. Just take you off this thing. Jeez, what the heck? All right. So if you look down there, that field's raked. That big blob in the middle, there's a big blob over there at the end. And then there's like 30, 40 feet as in the shade. I'm just gonna have to come down and pick that up and feed it to the goats. But this field's all done. Obviously it's a little longer than where this camera can see you, but it's done. Nice view, huh? Other than them government subsidized windmills. Let's see, what else? Well, it's like 82 degrees here today. Almost, well, you can tell when you can see the mountain almost that clear. It's very low humidity, which is freaking beautiful compared to past. Well, yesterday was absolutely gorgeous, and then today, but it's like creeping back up again. I think Thursday, today's Tuesday, so yeah, Thursday it's supposed to be super hot, like 97 degrees again. But anyways, with the wind blowing, all this sun, low humidity, this stuff will be dry and ready to go tomorrow, except for maybe down in there, I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, really appreciate it. Getting more subscribers every day, so that's awesome. I wish I had a drone. Well, I do have a drone, but it won't fly here because it says I don't have cell service. Well, there's no cell service anywhere near here, so I don't know why the deal it won't do that without cell service, but because that would have been awesome to be able to have you know, a drone up doing all this hay, honestly. But anyways, I don't have one, so I have to do with what I got. I need a new camera. Can't afford that right now. So, alright, peace out. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one when we're taking all this to the barn. Peace out.